Wolek with Wolek Real Estate Group here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today I'm with Lacie with A Cleansing Rain.
Hello.
We are so excited to introduce you to Lacie. She has an incredible business here in town and we wanted to share it with all you guys. So hello.
Hi.
Thanks for talking with us today. How in the world did you get into this business of cleaning houses
Yeah.
and organizing?
I didn't always used to be a super clean and organized person. And I just like to thank God for that. Right now, I love to help other people clean and get organized. It's a good way to build relationships, and I've been on the mission field for the last 2 years, and now I'm back in Tulsa. And I was looking for something to do to help people and to bless people and build relationships. And I wanted to start my own business. And so I love going in and cleaning people's homes using natural cleaning products that I make myself. I use Young Living essential oils in all my products, and I also help people get organized in different spaces in their homes. So
well, that's great because you led into the question I was going to ask, what helps you stand out from all the other cleaning companies in town? Definitely that you do your own natural products.
Yes, so I do make my own natural cleaning products, and yeah, I do help people get organized also. And so aside from cleaning, I will also go into your closets, your basement, attic, garages, even your junk drawer, just anything that you need that you've maybe accumulated some clutter over the years. There's no shame in that. That's how my life was, and I love to go into other people's spaces and help them declutter and then integrate systems of organization for them that is maintainable for them and their unique family and lifestyle.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Let's talk.
It's fun.
Well, lastly, what do you think, or can you think of any cool things that you could recommend of people that in their homes they could have some good use of their time and space?
Yeah, absolutely. I always like to help people utilize their vertical space. So instead of buying new pieces of furniture that you put on the ground and that take up your floor space, try to use your vertical space. Get different organizing systems that you can hang up on the wall. I recommend the Dollar Tree is a good cheap option. Bed Bath & Beyond, I mean even Walmart, they always have good mounting organizational system options.
Wow. Well, I am so excited to meet you and get to know more about your business. We're excited to share you with everyone. If someone needs to get in touch with you, how can they reach you?
Yeah, they can visit my website at cleansingrain918.com. And my telephone number is 918-408-9716. Or you could send me an email at cleansingrain918@gmail.com.
Awesome! Well, we're so excited, and we will talk to you soon. If you need any help or anything at all, my number is 918-706-9845. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.